Hello. Hmm. So today's topic is digital showroom. If you have a shop, a small shop, and you are, delivering your products, home delivery, or customer is coming to you to pick up after they order to buy something, maybe through WhatsApp, something like that. And if you like to increase your customer base and to have a proper professional application, mobile application, then this is a digital showroom. And it is very easy. You don't need to be programmer or software engineer. Anyone can build this one. I think probably at this age and time almost everyone know how to browse through mobile application, install application and uninstall application. This is much easier right now. It is done such a way that everyone, common people, can do that. So no coding is required. So this is becoming now challenge for software engineer to create more similar application. And market is, I think, almost I would say full of this kind of application. One of them is digital showroom. Obviously, you have to understand what it can do and cannot do. It is for small business, of course, and it has things like listing your product, so you can share it with your customer. You can get your proper domain ID, domain name, like sk store, so skstore.com, something like that. And then customer can pay on its application. You can get order message on WhatsApp and in application. So that's a thing. Let me just play that. Let's do that Android application and show you how it's done. So this is application I have installed, digital showroom, and now it's opened. Okay, so I have added two product category software, and you can put the description with different variant. This is a great feature. So it has in stock or in stock. You can disable that one if it is not available in your stock. And then various categories pre-built, you can explore them if you like. You can search the product, two. I have one product with item 2, just description that one. And a customer can order with this domain application. You need to share that with your customer, so customer will go into that link and then order the product, see the product, and you will get order here within the application. You can do the marketing, you can share the whole catalog if you like. Okay, I got the message. So that's how this is interesting. You can add your shop picture, business picture. Okay, you can put up the location, Google Map, store location, store description, and put the account details if you want to receive payment from the online store. You can set up the minimum order if you like, and charge, like delivery charge, fixed delivery or custom delivery. So that's it, I think. Of course you need to install it and browse through by yourself to see it, whether you like it or not. But I would say if you are a small business owner, then this is good choice. It's not costly, it's cheap application, but it has all the capabilities for small business what they want to do with it. So thank you and hope you like it.